Excuse my look, guys. I just finished cleaning my backyard. But if you are an S-Corp, this video is for you. The requirements. Number 1, you have to put yourself on payroll. And you have to pay yourself a reasonable salary. Because the reason you put yourself on payroll is because you're trying to avoid self-employment taxes. So you have to put yourself on payroll and pay yourself a reasonable salary. Number 2, proper documentations, bookkeeping. You cannot just make any old numbers, put it on a paper, and think that's good enough at the end of the year. It's not good, because this is what's going to happen to you if you're doing these things the wrong way. IRS can go and stop you from being an S-Corp, meaning they can revoke your S-Corp status. And what does this mean? This means that if you had it for several years, guess what? For several years, they can go back and make you pay self-employment on all the income you have received. They also can have your business not be able to choose to be an S-Corp for 5 years. So you will be paying self-employment taxes all those years, even if your business is qualified for that. So I advise you, if you're going to pick an S-Corporation election for your business, do the proper thing. So if you're an S-Corp, please put yourself on payroll. Do your due diligence and check how much you would pay if someone replaces you within your business. Okay? And pay yourself the reasonable salary that is required. Pay for a bookkeeper, because if you're using QuickBooks and you never took a training, 99.9% you're doing it wrong. You don't even know how to reconcile. Stop it. Stop trying to save a little hundreds of dollars and losing thousands at the end, because if they revoke it, guess what? You're losing thousands, because now you're going to pay self-employment taxes for 5 years. Plus, they're going to add on the fees that you didn't pay the years that you had an S-Corp. They're going to add it on. So please do your due diligence. Do it correctly. Follow the requirements. Pay yourself a reasonable salary. And do your QuickBooks correctly. Or should I say, hire someone that knows how to do it correctly. I'm Nekea, your Childcare Tax Pros, and I'll talk to you on the next one.